Sorrow is not a choice. But long-term suffering, that is a choice. When you're in sorrow, you can eventually carry that sorrow and pick up the pieces of what's left of your life, and you can start a new plan and start rebuilding. When you choose long-term suffering, your life essentially stops. It's frozen in time. And you are no longer there. No one can rely on you. You don't interact with anyone. You're just there in suffering. Don't choose long-term suffering. Choose to carry your grief and sorrow and rebuild your life. Honor those who are still there in your present life. I'm pleading with you because I didn't make the right choice. I wasn't there for those that were in my world when I suffered with a tragedy. Don't make that mistake. Make the right choice. Pick up your sorrow and start rebuilding, making a new plan. Be there for those who are still present in your world. Honor them. Do the right thing. Don't stay stuck or frozen. Rebuild your life. Take my advice. I made the wrong choice, and it's awful. I wasn't there for those who needed me. And I'm trying to help you prevent that from happening in your life after a tragedy. Okay? Choose to rebuild.